Here's how to make 10 karat solid gold from scratch. We start out with 24 karat pebbles and our alloy pebbles, which is a mix of silver, copper, and zinc. So the magic of turning this into 10 karat is we have to mix our 24 karat pure gold with our alloy metals, and it has to be a very specific amount of each of the pure gold as well as the alloy metals. So we decided to just start out with 15 grams of pure 24 karat gold. From there, we have to calculate how much alloy metal we need to add to the mix. So we're going to multiply our 15 grams by 24 pure karat, and you're going to get 360 grams total. We want to get 10 karat, so you divide that by 10 and you get 36 grams. That's our total weight of the 10 karat gold. So we then subtract the original 15 grams of pure karat gold and we get 21 grams. That's exactly how much alloy we have to mix into the 15 grams of pure gold to make 10 karat. If you divide 15 by 36 grams, you'll get 41.7% pure gold, which is another way of saying 10 karat. So now that we have our perfect mix of pure gold and alloy, we're now going to put them all together and melt them and make our 10 karat solid gold bar. So we're going to mix these metals together, add a little bit of borax to remove any of the impurities within the alloy metals. It's already been cleaned, but we're just adding the extra step. And now we're just going to get to the melting point of the gold. We're going to do this for a bit until we can finally get some liquid gold and make them and mold it into our gold bar. So here we finally got it to the melting point, and this part was a little tricky. We had to kind of just pour this liquid gold to this molding bar. We kind of missed a little bit, so the final weight turned out a little bit different, but we still salvage any gold that's left over from what we missed. So here is the gold bar. This is 10 karat solid gold. We made it from raw materials. You guys can see here, this is 36 grams, give or take. And that's it. Thanks for watching.